Hey, what's up guys, SoldierKnowsBest here. Yes, I am rocking the glasses today. I wanted to go full nerd, but anyway, I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of some of the new features that are in Android 4.2 Jelly Bean. So I have the Google Nexus 4 here, one of the first devices to be running this brand new version of the OS. And the first thing I'm going to show you are the lock screen widgets. So anyway, I turned on the phone, I'm at my lock screen. This is how it regularly looks. But if I slide over to the right, I get this widget that will allow me to listen to the song, something very similar to Shazam you can do with this OS, and I can find it in the Google Play Store if I wanted to, or I can slide over and then access the other widgets that I can add to it. So I can add a calendar widget, a digital clock widget, Gmail messaging, and so if I want to add one of these, simply tap on it and it'll go ahead and add that to the lock screen page there. Now, one thing I don't like is that you can only have one widget on one screen at a time. I wish they would give you, two or three to be able to put in there, but it does work very nicely. If I slide all the way over to the right, there is a camera widget there. Or just really a kind of a quick shortcut to the camera app, and they'll launch it there, and now you can go ahead and use it. Now, while we're already in this camera app, I'm going to show you some of the new things. You can tell this little animation there when it's focusing, and also you can tap and hold on anywhere on the screen, and then now you can access different settings. So if I slide down, I can go and change the scene mode. I can do the location, change the picture side. I can go here, change the exposure, white balance. I can flip it around to the front-facing camera, turn on HDR mode, and also activate the flash. So I really do like this, that you can just tap on anywhere in the screen and access the settings just like that. Now, another new feature in the camera app is called Photosphere, which will allow you to take not only just a panoramic image, but a kind of a 360 panoramic image that will allow you to scan around in 360 and look all the way around the picture of the image that you take. So anyway, you tap that right there, and then you're able to access it, and you basically just align it up. This is blue dot. Hopefully you can see it there on the screen. But anyway, I'm gonna line it up, that blue dot, like so. And then now you just go down to this blue dot. You go to the one on the right, and you kind of just keep on doing this. Again, I'm at an angle here where you can't really see it, but you keep on doing that, and you'll make it in total full image there, where you can actually just look around and pan around with your finger, which is actually pretty cool when you do it. And another thing now, when you slide down to access your notifications, I don't have anything right now, but anyway, you can tap over here to access all your different settings for the brightness controls and emergency calls, battery, and Bluetooth on and off. But also, see, if you just slide down with two fingers, you'll automatically go into that. So again, slide down with one finger, you get your notifications and things like that. Slide down with two fingers, and now you'll get into all these different settings, these quick access settings that you can do. Now, the clock application got a little upgrade as well. I can go in and tap on that. I have the digital clock there. I can change it to an analog clock if I wanted to. But also, you have a little kind of a countdown. I can go ahead and type in the time there, hit start, and it'll go ahead and start counting down from whatever I type in. Hit that delete button. It'll get rid of that. And also, so you can go to the stopwatch here, hit start. And overall, I just really like the interface, the way that things look in this new clock application there. And so this next feature I'm about to show you is probably my favorite out of the bunch. And to be able to access this, you need to go to settings, and then you go to display, and then you see this new thing called Daydream right here. So I go ahead and tap on that, and this will allow my phone to do a certain action when I plug it in to charge or when I set it into a dock. So right now, I currently have it set to activate colors, and hit start now. If you go ahead and see what it looks like, and these colors kind of just float around the screen there. Or I can have it access the clock there, like so. Also currents, which will be like news articles and things like that from my favorite locations that I can do it there. And I can go ahead and tap on these if I wanted to, and it'll go ahead and load up, and I go and read that article. You can do photos. You can also do bean finger, which is a Easter egg in Jelly Bean. And now go ahead and start that thing up. And now you can go ahead and swipe these jelly beans all across the screen, which is pretty fun. I can sit here and do this for like 5 minutes at a time. I really like this because it gives you a little functionality to your phone while sitting there on your desk, or while sitting there docked on your desk, and so you can have it doing something. So anyway, guys, these are basically all the features. There's some little things, with mail and stuff like that I'll cover in my review of this phone itself. But those are some of the big major features in Android 4.2 that I do like. Very useful new features. So I'm glad Google was able to do this, and Google is definitely leading the pack as far as instituting different changes as they progress with their operating system. Anyway, guys, leave a comment down below what you think about these new features in Android 4.2 Jelly Bean. And thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you later. Peace.